Here's a fantastic and flavorful recipe for lemon herb grilled chicken. Ingredients for the marinade: 4 boneless, skinless chicken breasts, 2 lemons, juiced and zested, 4 cloves garlic, minced, 2 tablespoons fresh basil, finely chopped, 2 tablespoons fresh thyme, finely chopped, 2 tablespoons fresh parsley, finely chopped, 1/4 cup olive oil, salt and pepper to taste. Instructions: in a bowl, whisk together the lemon juice, lemon zest, minced garlic, chopped basil, thyme, parsley, olive oil, salt, and pepper to create the marinade. Place the chicken breasts in a resealable plastic bag or a shallow dish. Pour the marinade over the chicken, making sure they are well coated. Seal the bag or cover the dish and refrigerate for at least 30 minutes, or up to 4 hours for best results. The longer you marinate, the more flavor the chicken will absorb. Preheat your grill to medium-high heat and lightly oil the grates to prevent sticking. Remove the chicken from the marinade, letting any excess drip off. Discard the marinade. Grill the chicken breasts for about 6-8 minutes on each side, or until they are cooked through and have beautiful grill marks. The internal temperature should reach 165 degrees Fahrenheit, 74 degrees Celsius. Remove the chicken from the grill and let it rest for a few minutes before slicing. Serve the lemon herb grilled chicken with your choice of side dishes, such as a fresh garden salad, roasted vegetables, or some buttery garlic mashed potatoes. This lemon herb grilled chicken is bursting with fresh and zesty flavors, making it a fantastic choice for a summer barbecue or any time you want a light and flavorful meal. Enjoy!